What's up with your kids? It's good to see you back. In addition, the significance of the phrase. We're going to have a look at some interesting data. In other words, don't forget to join our list. Please feel free to add to the discussion by leaving a comment. On the 1-hour chart of the cryptocurrency market, we can see even more information about the burden today. Once again, the price of Ethereum has fallen to 1,600. It was 1,500 yesterday. In other words, the years between the year 1500 and the year 1600 were a formative period in our lives. And then there's the rest of it. Let's see if I can find it soon. I have Max's book Bitcoin here. Hence, it isn't the 23Ks that it was. In other words, not the day before or even the day before that. Probably yesterday. However, we have progressed from a population of 22K to a population of 22,800, and this growth should continue. However, on the hourly chart, our price estimates are correct, and the chart itself is quite impressive. So, there you have it. For additional content, be sure to subscribe and spread the word. But first, here are some breaking news stories. Our Lunar Classic buyback and burn program is open to everyone today, even if just for a short period of time, so that we can transform our rebels throughout the UN period. To be eligible, you must be a first-time user who registers with the maximum amount on this special page and trade. Create an account and join this effort by clicking on the buttons below. Every 30 days, there will be an even ending. We'll talk a lot in the next 30 days, so if you sign up for a Max account through the link on this website, you'll get a 10% reduction on your trading fees on Max. At the campaign's end, a spot trading will contribute $20 in value of Luna Classic to the burning pool on behalf of each qualified user who has currently made a deposit sum of at least $500. Only the one and only thing. This campaign's new signups will be taken into account in the MAX initiative computation above. Decide what you want and go for it. The terms and conditions, as well as any warnings about potential hazards, are displayed here. That's all the information you need to know before really going to check it out. Let's go on to the Classic Turtle's next set of details. As of Tara's most recent check, she is 3.6 billion RT coin. DSK Korea's latest news report claims that Terra Labs may retain nearly $3.6 billion and use the RT in the United States. Money laundering and exchange and DeFi price manipulation are all possibilities, according to the research. However, authorities will need to verify the CEO of Terraform Labs with exchanges Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin. The SA, or Terra Foundation, Duke's private foundation, has already made public the extent of his holdings. For example, the Luna cryptocurrency was integrated into Bitcoin, and the company was tasked with safeguarding its value by utilizing the cash it had on hand. Despite this, RT Deflation discovered that Terraform Labs and Luna Foundation Guard had enormous amounts of money in their wallets that had unknown sources and information. $3.6 billion was the overall amount of illicit funds found, as well as the means by which they were utilized. Report indicated that Luna Classic was used to manipulate market and launder funds with this money. Controlled transactions and Luna on DeFi before to the May 7 Terra project's demise. Blockchain security businesses Apsala Security and Coindesk Korea used online data for an SEC investigation into how the network failed, so they can track the movement of funds among wallets, etc. Terra's crash and wallet address have been pinpointed by researchers. That's what you're saying, right? As a result, it was possible to prove that LevG Apsala managed or owned the wallet in question by verifying that the Terraform had passed and that a Luna Foundation Guard had transferred user funds worth $7.4 billion to Binance wallets. Additional chain data analysis were performed by Coindesk Security to keep tabs on the movement of data and discover an estimated $3.6 billion in cash. The Lunar Classic dropped 6 days before symptoms of U.S. deflation appeared in May, and over 380 billion TS were transferred into the largest exchange wallet, which could not be validated and were later determined to have escaped to another Binance exchange wallet, TS, due to the fact that this money has been moved from the exchange wallet. It is no longer possible to follow it via on-chain data analysis. To see more content and to see an X1N piece, please subscribe, like, and share.